Derek Claude says, I never thought I would enjoy watching a chess stream, but your stream is awesome. You explain everything and interact with us followers. Yeah, Derek Claude, man, I enjoy. That's what I like to do. Okay, I got someone 1600. Oh, it's the same guy. Do I give him a rematch? Let's be good sports and give him a rematch. I got white pieces, right? So thank you, Derek, for the kind words, man, and I appreciate that very much. And Jonathan McNichols, thank you for seconding that motion. We're gonna give this guy a second chance, man. He was a good sport. I just have to not do anything stupid because I outplayed him last time. Thank you. Conload, Duran, D6, D4, CD4. I gotta play these moves faster. Okay. Yeah, that's like the common move or something. It's like, I don't know. I don't understand that move, man. That's a move. It's a real move, but I'm still not impressed with it. I just played Bishop D7, and I'm totally cool. Shargil has liked, and Jake R has followed. Paul Kester followed. Thanks for the follows, guys. We're at 99.57 of our follower goal of 3,050. Okay, take with the bishop for sure. It's homemade pressure, man. It's built-in pressure. I'll play. Okay. Now, I want to play Queen C7 because I don't want him to get E5 in. It's a Nadorf, yeah. Oh wow. I got some great comments here. Ricky Bauman says, "Hey, how you doing, brother? I watched some of your starting videos after our game earlier, and I'm hoping for a rematch sometime. LOL. Thanks for the help." Oh, you're welcome, Ricky. You're welcome, Ricky. Bobby Biolo says, "Charlie, your Jimmy Bryant story the other day ruled. Let's get another cool musician story before you get too deep into the games." Okay, I'll try and come up with something. Gary Kopp says, "Hey man, glad to catch another live stream before bed. I'm quickly becoming a fan." Thank you, Gary. Thank you, man. Castles. Smart move. Parker Kessler says, "Love the vibe, man. Keep doing you." That's what I'm doing. That's the best part about this, guys. Thank you for the like, Stan. I'm just being me. Is that crazy? If he wants to trade off that bishop to mess my pawns up, he is welcome to it. Now I have 2 bishops, guys. I got the hoppers. I got the pair. I got the file. I think I could play... Oh, I should castle first. I'm castling long, guys. Oh, man. Yeah, Daniel Ramirez, thank you for the like. Stan Reynolds is like... Yeah, you know, everything in life is like that. Like with music, you know, if you try to be someone else, you're not gonna do well. You have to be you. And I wanted to play D5, and that's what I'm playing. Look at that. Takes. I'm feeling okay about this. What's the advantages of castling? I never do it, LOL, says Brian Rebello. Play me, Brian, and you'll see what the advantages are. Oh, man. I wanted this. Well, no, it's okay. I could play back. The advantage of castling are it brings your rook out, which is probably one of the biggest things. And it tucks your king behind these 3 pawns to where it can be safe. All in one move. It's like probably the most valuable move in castling because you get 2 things done with 1 move. You are totally correct, Josh Hitchens. It protects your king. Chris Bryant, supporter, says, "Dang, I'm not the newest supporter anymore, man. They're creeping on us, man." You guys know I got a supporter when I was offline, I think. Which is a little bit crazy. Doubling up on this. He's going to take with the other knight. Should I rip queen takes, pawn takes? He gets the doubled pawn. I felt better about my position. Corey Stewart, what's up, dude? The night's been great. Ricky Bauman says, I'm learning to play more patiently because I feel like my mind's going too fast. Yeah, I feel you, man. Chris Bryan says, oh, okay, then I'm still number one in your heart at the moment. Yeah, you're fine, man. You're fine, Chris. Appreciate you, brother. Thanks for the likes, guys. Lois, Zach, Mochaotics here, man. Daniel Ramirez. There we go. There's a supporter. Thank you. What if I just pin the knight? What if I just take the pawn and the knight can't take because, oh, he can take with check. So I pin the knight first. Pin the knight first and then take the pawn. Number 2 now. Yeah. Yeah. Who just did that, man? Adam Freeman became a supporter. Adam, thank you, dude. Welcome to the stream, man. Watch your welcome video. Check out the supporter-only group. I don't know what your rating is, Adam, but we're having a workshop. Everyone's welcome to come on Sunday at 1 o'clock. It'll be a supporter-only stream. That's at 1 o'clock, and it's going to be a workshop geared toward 1,000 and under in rating, because I feel like that's all I'm really capable of teaching. Now we'll take the pawn. Maybe it takes a pawn. I will push. So now I'm going to push the pawn again. Okay. I can take, but this square. It's a push. I don't like it, but I'm going to do this and hold my center. Oh no, queen f5 check. And he could pick up the doubled pawn. Well, he's still not threatening anything, right? Now, he's threatening the same thing, actually. If I were to take... Who's dropping stars over here? Adam Freeman drops 500 stars. Thank you. Thank you, Adam, for becoming our newest supporter and for the 500, man. Appreciate it. I feel like I want to trade some stuff off, man. I feel like I have a total advantage here. 2, 4, 6, 7 to 6. He has less pawn islands, but I have the bishops. Is developing the bishop a move? Is he threatening anything? Why not bishop f5? You mean is it bishop c5? If bishop c5, what I don't like is the same thing he was going to do to me. Rook over. Hitting it. Then he's on it with the knight and the rook. My queen can move. And he just wins it. I could take this, but then that allows this, which king over, and then the other rook comes behind it. I'm trying not to open up my king. Hey, Mom, how are you? That's my mom, guys, Pamela Stark. Bishop trade with the knight, win the pawn. Yeah, it's an idea, but I lose this pawn, and I open up the A file. And I'm not really keen on that. Now I can take it. No, I can't, because now the knight's out of the way. Bishop takes, rook over, get my queen out of the way, and it's pinned my king. I think I need to do something safe. Like this, but he's going to play b4. But you know what? I'm not that worried about it, man. Can't take with the queen. Can't attack his queen. Ethan. Oh, you told me how to pronounce it, and I forgot it already. A guy. 50 stars. Thank you, Ethan. Jake Spence, thanks for liking. Pamela, you raised a rock star, Chris says. Thank you, man. You are too kind to me. We're going to come to this square. Not a good idea to start pushing pawns in front of your king, man. See the fork? If that knight moves, b4, right? I'm gonna play this move, dual purpose move. Ready for it? Keeps a queen at f5, and on b5 I just take it, and then I will play f5 threatening this. Oh, the knight can take though. No, it can't. No, it can't. He does have an attack over here, guys. And that's why I'm attacking in the center. Yep. I also could play rook. Threatening queen takes, and then there will be a mate. That might be the best move here, guys. You know that? Let's threaten stuff, man. Oh, that drops this pawn, though. I have 10 minutes. I'm doing great, guys. Yeah, all these long analysis things I'm not going to read, guys. I'm just reading all the nice things you guys are saying. Lois Kane says, Charlie's mom, your son's great, guys. Happy early Mother's Day. That's nice, man. Yeah, exactly. Hangs h7. But I really don't want to put this rook here. It's either or. It's either or. Because I could bring the rook and stop pushing in the center. The worst part about hanging h7 was the queen would protect h3. You know what I'm saying? Think Arnold in a face-off with the Predator. Come do it. He could also just go g4 if the rook move. Oh, yes he can. Yes he can. If he plays g4, he's gonna be sorry, I think. The knight moves. We have this. The knight drops in here. We have f5 and this. I think his king is in trouble, guys. Chris Bryant says, Charlie, me and my fiance want to come see y'all play. We live in Dallas. Where do y'all play at? We play at a place in Buchanan Dam called Pat's Bar. We're playing tomorrow night, man. Come on down. If you come down, I got your first round of drinks. Andrew Bryant, thanks for the like. And Ridge Hudson, thank you for the like. Nate Packwood. We play at a winery on Saturday. Steve Giovacchini. Steve, ciao. Como stai? Justin Bell is followed. Thor is here. Hey, Thor. Eduardo Sousa. Justin Bell is liked. Keith Malone. Keith Malone? Who's Keith Malone? Keith? I feel like I know a Keith Malone. I feel like it's a musician. Okay. I'm looking at rook takes. Okay, rook takes doesn't work. So now now that we have played to that file, we're gonna play. Well, let me see. Let's think about this. Let's just consider life. I could take this pawn. I could take this pawn and come back to this diagonal. and play h3 and kind of lock this up, right? Is it smart? Is it smart, guys? Chris Bryant says, oh snap, LOL. Don't threaten us with a good time. Ray Bandiola says hello. And you like an F5. You like an F5, man, yeah? You know me, if I didn't see it and I wasn't about to play it, because F5, what if? B4. I mean, B5. Bishop D5. Push, bang, bang, things start opening up. There's a queen check here. I think I should take this pawn. I think I should take this pawn because I'm clearly better, and the bishop coming back here is going to be with the threat, and no matter where he moves, and I think A6 is going to hold my king side because I don't like F5, B5, bishop D5. Pushing, like I said, queen check. Like it. It doesn't make me happy. I'm gonna win a pawn here. Weird as it looks, I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Now, a better move might be. Oh well, this is. I think this guy's on fault watching the stream, guys. Keith Malone says, I'm loving the energy of this stream, man. Keith Malone, where do I know that name from? I guess I don't know you. I feel like it's a... Okay, now we just win and exchange, right? Oh, he plays knight there. Okay, oh, and I don't have this move anymore. Now maybe defend, but no, because I think I have to stick with my plan. Oh, that loses. Okay, that loses. Oh man. How about this weird move? I don't know, guys. I don't think I'm playing this right. E4. Oh yeah, kicking him off the knight. Yeah, wow. Didn't see it. Yep, that's... I was planning on playing that earlier, but I was thinking F5 and E4, but E4 is definitely an idea. Maybe. Okay. Now I think I need to do this. The thing is, though, he can knight check. Bishop takes. And then... Oh, yeah, he has to save his queen. Queen takes. I wish you could castle this way. Can we do like super delayed, extra long castling? That would be awesome. Yeah, well, he's gonna take the bishop with the rook for sure. That's coming, man. That's coming. Okay. This may be a pretty good defense. And if the queen abandons... Okay. Rook check. There's no dark square stuff, man. There's no dark squares happening here. I'm just going to play this move. Oh, he has a dark square check here on f4. And then... king up. And I see nothing. I have a second. But if he abandons this knight, man, I'm going to rip it and I'm going to take here with mate. Queen f4, king c7. Oh no, rook check. What if he plays queen f4 first? Oh, then queen c7. I think this works. Okay, guys. Aaron says, do you happen to remember what the most queens you played with in a game? I'm sure it's been 3. In Blitz, I'm sure it's been 3 in 1 minute and stuff. Thor, hey man, how you doing? Thanks for the follow, Thor. You're my second Thor. William Bukursky, thank you, and Cameron, thanks for the follow, man. You guys, yeah, man, we were nailing our follower goal today. Thank you guys so much. We didn't get it earlier on the stream. We did great on the early stream though. Plays that. Now I'll play this. Check. I will bring the bishop. And then hopefully I have here I could take with the queen, but it's shady for sure, guys. He got to attack. Well, he's down a piece. King c6, knight d4, mate. Yeah, so the rook check was better. Yeah, wow. So... queen check, I would have had to interpose a bishop. Pawn takes... no. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, I see it now, guys. That was brutal. You think my queen's in trouble? We'll see. Takes. I'm gonna take. Oh, I can't because of the mate. I can't because of the mate. So don't you tell me my forced moves. I'm up a piece. It's probably queen. Defend the bishop. On the check, I go to c7. And there's a check on f4. So maybe I could just go right to d7. Then he could start piling up. No, but I like c7 better. Oh, man. Okay, I want to find my best move in this position. I'm not going to look at chat, okay? I'm not going to look at chat. I do not want you guys to tell me the right moves, guys. I believe he may have had forced mate earlier that you guys did see. I have no checks. An idea is like, can't, but see, I lose my queen. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, but I think I had to defend that. Because if I move it, I get checkmated. Oh. Yeah, and rook d8 is probably just going to come in a different move order. But I could have maybe done it now before the check started. But then the queen would have just had to come later, so I don't know. Yep, you're right. You're right. And guess what's not playing? This rook is not playing. I defended this kingside wrong, guys, for sure. Carl Alcazaran Jr., thank you for the like, man. Philip Riordan, thank you for the like. Bradley frickin' Kramer. I love the name, man. Our Kramer. We call our bass player Marshall frickin' Morgan, but we don't say frickin'. That's what he's kind of known as. He should have checked you with the queen. Jeffrey Lebowski says Douglas McBean. Thank you guys for Mitchell Bottom. Thanks for the like, man. Welcome back. Terry McKenzie. Thanks for the like. Danielle. Oh man, they're scrolling fast now. Feliciano. Mark, love that name. Thanks for the like and the follow. And there we go, guys. I think you guys nailed my yeah, man. Attack the queen. If here. I don't like bishop. What about this move? Queen takes, bishop takes. Rook pin. Oh, he'll check. I have to go to d7. Open the file as a bishop. I think I have to do this. I don't know, guys. Does this lose? We're going to find out. I don't even want to look at chat right now because I don't want you guys to tell me the moves. Jonathan Sapinoso is like, guys, if I didn't catch your name, forgive me. Conrad Clayton Whitney, welcome back, dude. Coding is life. I love that name. Douglas McBean, thanks for the like. And Feliciano Mark, thank you for the follow also. I appreciate that, man. Khalid is here. Man, I always catch Khalid when he comes in, but Ditzing is popping, boy. Bradley freaking Creamer got you. William Belkarski 7 minutes ago. Cameron Lai, guys, I'm stuck in this game. Well, I'm in trouble. I'm in serious trouble. Oh yeah, man. First game I won. This game, if he keeps doing what he's doing, I think I may be okay. Rook doesn't work. Charlie can just take it. Yeah, right. No, I see that. Right. So if he maybe plays, he doesn't have a queen check either. Rook, and then he'll have no king d7, getting off this line, and no check. Oh, wait a minute though. Oh yeah. Yeah, no, it holds it. My rook gets there first. Yeah, so I know I won my first game. I'm curious. Let me look. I shouldn't be doing this while I'm home. Profile. How many games have I played so far tonight? Oh, they're all the same date from earlier, man. So I don't know. I know I won the first game though. Yes, queen back with that threat, right? That's a good move, man. Because he has the threat. But look at this move. King d7. If he goes for my bishop, I take his freaking, take his rook. I'm a little low on time, so I gotta move. Nah, I didn't like rook d1. There was a reason. Rook d1, rook c1 wins my queen. See, this is hanging, so he doesn't quite have time to win my bishop just yet. So I may... Oh, it's pinned. It's pinned, guys. I didn't freaking see it. And that gives him a knight check that I really can't get out of. Yeah, I think my position's falling apart, guys. I can attack the rook, though. And if the bishop moves, I just get mated. Oh, no, I can attack the rook, but he wins the queen. But I get 2 for it. You can get 2 bishops for the rook. No, he can't. I'm probably getting mated, guys. And Sean Lucas says, sorry, can't stay. Just wanted to pop in and say hello. Hope everyone has a great night. Love and respect. Love and respect to you, Sean. Thanks for coming in, dude. Good to see you, man. I'm completely busted. Oh, he went for it, guys. He went for it. Okay. My bishops cover my squares. We're coming to files. I think if I can, I think maybe I keep the bishops. I think I keep the bishops. Dude, how did I get out of that one, Andrew? I mean, this might still be a forced loss, but let me tell you right now, lucky Charlie, lucky. Like, I'm not mated right now. I'm still playing. Okay, he has no threats. The knight can move, but I think I have to activate the rook. Now I'm controlling some squares. Probably could have come to a file. Yeah, but you know what? I have rook. Rook up is probably an idea. Yeah. Oh, he blundered big time, guys. He had me, man. And look at his time. He had 6 minutes. What do I do, guys? You know what I do to keep myself from moving? Now, of course, it costs me time. I go, wait, I have time. And I stop and I talk to you guys. Right? And does that knight have a check? It does not. So we can pin it. Do we want to pin it? Do we want to... Knight wants to come to this square. And then he wants to start winning some pawns and stuff. So I say maybe we do pin it. He has no checks. I'm pinning it. I'm pinning the knight. Guys, freaking by the skin of my teeth. I am probably going to clip this and upload it to YouTube. Because, yeah, Adrian says, pin it! I'm still in trouble? I don't know, man. Rook G8 comes with a threat. Yeah. It comes with a threat. He has no forks. I'm gonna play Rook G8. It comes with a threat. F3 is probably his move. Okay, plays knight. Hitting my bishop. Should I trade? The bishop pair is so strong. I think I don't. I think I don't. I think I don't trade, guys. If he wants to come in on this square, I'm going to play this move. What did he play? He played back. And I considered that Oh, and I would pin this way, right? Because he has he just loses the knight. He has no check. Now this square's his only way to save himself is this move. Save the knight. And check. Which, yeah, it's a move. Okay, now, do I take the knight and just totally win, or check? King back, check, king over, check. He has perpetual. Oh, no, he doesn't. If I take this way, check, king over, he can start checking me this way, and I can sack a rook for the pawn and still win. I'm going to play for the win, guys. I think this does it. I don't think he can mate me with a pawn and a, plus, yep, okay. Okay, oh, I don't want to give him that move with check. Oh, I have to? Well, I can play here. Oh, no, that sucks. Okay, wait. I can check first before I bring this rook back to defend. Okay, okay, he did it wrong. He did it wrong. Everything's protected is a problem. Well, this isn't protected. See, he has no check on this file. He can go here, but then I will come here. And I have bishop, right? I have a rook check and then a bishop check. I can do this first and threaten mate. I'm threatening mate. If he checks king here and bishop here, we'll stop the checks. I'm covering the mating square. If I have to, I can stop it like this. I'm also threatening mate. Oh. Yep, that's what I did, Mike. Yep, getting the bishop to sack. I still win this. I still win this even if I sack the bishop for it, but I don't have to. Okay. That's not good because of this move. So I will come here. We analyzed this already. Guys, can you believe this game? What a freaking game, man. And this guy's 1600, man. These are rating points. Now, the game's not over yet. Let's stay humble and stay focused. He has, 3 times my time almost. Well, I haven't won yet. He had me checkmated. He had forced mate, guys. Samuel Rodriguez. I'm gonna catch up with that later with all the love you guys have given me, follows and everything. What do you do? Okay, you stop the mate. Now I win the queen. Yeah, he just didn't have enough time. Oh wait, do I win the queen? Play here. I'll hit the queen and I'll threaten mate. I still think I'm okay on checks. I mean, if I can't avoid checks from this queen, well, he doesn't even have. Oh, he has a check here. Okay, then king e6. But I'm threatening mate, and I'm threatening right now this move, and he has no checks, and I'm threatening mate. I thought I won the queen, but I didn't because he had a check. He had an interposition. He resigned. I guess. On this move, I could have played a rook, attacking the queen, and threatening the mate, right? That might have been better. Wow. What a freaking game, man. Do I have time for this? I think I got time for another game, man.